UK to roll out 24-hour vaccine scheme in London hospital. Beijing likens Secretary of State Mike Pompeo to a mentis after latest US sanctions. Philippine coronavirus cases hit 5 lakh in vaccine struggle. Indonesian celebrity party blunders spark criticism over vaccine campaign. Israeli warplane hit Gaza after rocket fire, said Israeli army. Prime Minister Imran Khan has reiterated the commitment to continue to expose India's belligerent design toward Pakistan and Modi government fascism. Israel approved to build additional 780 homes in occupied West Bank settlement. Iran rejects claim of France about progress on its nuclear program.